Your air conditioner suddenly stopped working? Before spending hundreds on repairs, try these simple fixes that could solve the problem fast. Start with your thermostat. Make sure it's set to cool, the temperature is lower than room temperature, and the batteries aren't dead. Next, check your home's electrical panel. A tripped circuit breaker can completely shut down your air conditioner without any warning. A dirty air filter blocks airflow, making your AC work harder and sometimes causing it to stop cooling effectively. Replace it if needed. Inspect the outdoor condenser. Remove leaves, grass, and debris around the unit so heat can escape properly and efficiently. Walk through your home and make sure every supply vent is open and not blocked by furniture, rugs, or curtains. If you notice ice on the indoor or outdoor unit, turn the system off and let it thaw completely before restarting. Hearing grinding, buzzing, or smelling something burning? Turn the system off immediately and avoid running it until it's inspected. If none of these steps restore cooling, the issue could involve refrigerant, electrical components, or the compressor, requiring professional service. Did these tips help? Like this video, subscribe for more home repair guides, and comment what AC problem you're dealing with today.